All right, we're breaking those blurry gold bars right there. 16-17 gold standard basketball. This is a 6-box break. Super Bowl promo style. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for joining. We're going to hit the randomizer as many times as this die says right here. All 30 teams are in, and we're going to go 5 times on the draw. DM13 on the top, DNH Martin on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lefty Boo number 1, Coach FX number 30. All right. On to the teams. Wizards on the bottom, Blazers up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 5. The Pacers number 1, Celtics number 30. Lefty Boo Pacers, J-Rod the Lakers, M Manton 15 Spurs, Lloyd Nuggets, Brad Buzzkill Nets, Hisashi Thunder, Broovy DSB Cavs, Ace Fan 7 Wizards, Carriage House Clippers, Jason H. Fractor Heat, DNH Martin Warriors and Jazz, Carriage House Rockets, the Jaeger Bombs Pistons, the Collector 904 Pelicans, 3 Point Bucks, Lloyd the Hawks, Booyah Kings, JV Sports Cards Magic, Coach FX Bulls, 5-Side-40 Mavericks, DM13 Raptors, Pyro Sixers, DM13 Suns, Roro 1717 Hornets, Scotchy the Knicks, AA Creek Grizzlies, D. Losher Blazers, Eagles Vikings T-Wolves, and Coach FX Celtics. There you go. Start breaking in just a minute. Get some trade. Good luck.